Yes, guys, welcome to the class of Communication Systems and Technology. And in today's class or today's session, we are going to discuss about the transmitter and the receiver. So we have communication model, and in communication model, we have different components. So for today's lecture and today's video session, we have two different components that are uh, transmitter, and then we have what receiver. Okay, so before going to transmitter, it's necessary that we must have any message or message signal or electrical signal. Okay, so for that purpose we have mic. Okay, it's an example. Let's suppose I am talking or speaking over here. So my voice, I want to transmit my voice to another place. Okay, to another point. So my mic is used here to convert my this sound waves or voice into an electrical signal. Okay, so because we want to transmit our signal, an electrical signal, so this mic converts signal into electrical signal, and then we have modulator. Okay, these are basically parts of transmitter. In transmitter we have modulator. What is the function of modulator? The main function of the modulator is to mix or add to two signals, of one is high frequency signal, another one is of our message signal. Okay, so it's important to keep in mind that our carrier signal, or means high frequency signal, have no any information. Okay, so the main function of modulator to mix the high frequency signal and our message signal. So high frequency signal means carrier signal have no any information. Okay, so our message signal consists of information. So let's suppose now this one is our electrical signal. Okay, now that, and this one is our carrier signal. This one is what? Carrier signal, because this one is high frequency signal as compared to our message signal. So now this one is electrical signal and this one is carrier signal. When these both signals are mixed up, then there is a modulated signal. And then there's what? Modulated signal. Because when we add two signals, okay, so then we have a signal which is of new shape. But make sure that carrier signal have no information. And in modulation, we will cover this modulation in detail in the next lectures. But here, in modulation we are going to change the parameters of carrier signal only. Okay, and the message signal remains same. So in modulation, when two signals, one means electrical signal and our carrier signal mixed together, then there is a new signal, that is what? Modulated signal. Now that modulated signal is amplified. Okay, so we have amplifier. Now it's transmitter. In transmitter we have modulator. Okay, we have electrical signal. So first of all, what transmitter, and when there is electrical signal and we mix that signal with a high frequency signal. Okay, after that we have modulated signal. Now it's important to amplify that modulated signal. So for that purpose, in transmitter there is device that is amplifier. Okay, so when modulated signal comes into the amplifier, then it's amplified. Okay, after the amplification there is antenna, and we can say that there is transmitting antenna, because we want to transmit our signal. The main function of antenna is what? To convert that electrical signal into EM waves. Okay, so that's the main function of antenna, the main function of transmitting antenna. So now after the amplification, we transmit our signal, or we send our signal to the antenna, and antenna converts this modulated signal, an amplified signal, into EM wave. Okay, so our signal is transmitted. Now our signal is transmitted means antenna transmits that signal into EM wave. Now we have receiver. Yes, so the receiving side, now we have EM waves. From the transmitter side, there is conversion from electrical signal to EM wave. Now this EM waves are converted into electrical signals. That is the function of what? Receiving antenna. Receiving antenna receives the EM waves and convert it into electrical signals. So here this one is modulated signal, because on the transmitter side, in the transmitter end, we have modulated signal and amplified signal that is transmitted via antenna and converted into EM waves and then received over here. Now EM wave received, and that is received EM waves, and antenna convert that EM wave into modulated, that's electrical signal, and that signal is modulated signal. So now we have need of demodulator, because at the transmitter side we add two signals, one carrier, another one is message signal. Now we have no need of carrier signal, we have only need of message signal, which message is sent or transmitted by transmitter. So we have only need of that signal. So now demodulator converts or separate our carrier signal and message signal, means that demodulator separate the message signal from the carrier signal. So in this, demodulator separates and give us a electrical signal which is transmitted after mic in the transmitter side. Okay, that's important. So now that uh, we have electrical signal, and now we want that electrical signal with high amplitude. Okay, so we have need of amplifier to amplify our electrical signal, because after the transmission there is channel and there is at the receiving end, it's across the whole process. So yeah, maybe it signal attenuates. So we have need of what? Amplifier to amplify the signal. So after amplification means amplifier, this after demodulation there is amplifier which amplifies the signal. Okay, this one is low amplitude, and after the amplifier this one is with high amplitude. So after that, now we have the signal at the receiving side, we receive the signal, and then we have at the transmitter side we have mic through which we transmit our signal, convert it into electrical signal. Now we have mic to convert it into again the same voice which is transmitted through mic and which is received at the loudspeaker. So now this amplified signal is, now we can easily hear our that particular sound or voice from which that is transmitted by a message source. So in nutshell, we have transmitter. Let's suppose we have electrical signal here. If I am talking about the now here is a message source from mic, which is transducer, so which converts into electrical signal, and electrical signal modulates, then modulator. It's a whole about transmitter. Okay, it's about transmitter. So after modulation there is amplification, and after amplification this signal is transmitted over this antenna, and then transmitting antenna transmits it, converts it into EM waves and transmits it into the in the atmosphere on the surface. Okay, so after that we have another side, we have receiver. Receiver receives these EM waves that are transmitted by this transmitter, transmitting antenna, and then receiving antenna receives their EM waves and convert it into electrical signals. And after that there is a demodulation, because we have no need of that carrier signal now at the receiving side. So we separate, demodulator separates that particular carrier signal from the message signal, and there is message signal, electrical signal, which is transmitted from this one. So after amplification, they amplified and it gave us the output in the speaker. So it's all about the receiver and transmitter. This one is transmitter, okay, and this one is our receiver. So it's all about transmitter and receiver. So we cover transmitter. In transmitter we have then we have electrical signal, then we have modulator, then we have modulated signal, then we have amplifier, and then we have transmitting antenna. And then the receiver. So we have receiver, and after receiver we have receiving antenna, which converts EM waves into, it's basically recap, which converts EM waves into electrical signal. And then we have modulated signal, and then we have demodulator, which basically demodulates that modulated signal. And then amplifier, which amplifies that signal. And then we have a speaker to end so listen or to receive our message. So it's all about the lecture. So thank you guys. If you have any question regarding to this lecture, so you are more than welcome to ask any question. My email ID is izharhussain, means IZHARHUSSAIN at bbsutsg.edu.pk, and my mobile phone number is 0333 So if you have any question regarding to this video session or any other question regarding to the subject, so you are more than welcome. Thank you guys. Love is. Have a good day.